Hi everyone. I'm back to talk about. Uh, I actually made a visualization concerning the data I cleaned the other day. Sorry about the water break. So the other day I talked about. No, basically the other day I cleaned I cleaned a particular data I got on Cargo. It's an online sales data. So I before doing any analysis, I had to clean it on Python. So after cleaning it on Python, I did the analysis and the visualization on Power BI. So I'm just go. I already did. In fact, I already made a video about the visualization, but then I didn't add the KPI. So, but now I did a thing with the KPI, and I'm also going to talk about. I'm also going to talk about um, it. So let me just take us through that. I'm not going to spend too much time explaining this. I just want to walk us through um, the whole visualization. So basically, this is the dashboard of the online sales customer. The online store customer sales data analysis. So this is how the dashboard looks like. This is the data. If you remember, this is these are the columns in the data. So after cleaning, initially all these were zeros and one. Uh, the date was not in the right format. The values of the euros, all these things. The pay method was in zeros and ones, 0, 1, 2, 3, and we can't really, if we're trying to make a visualization like this, we can't make any meaning from it unless we do the necessary uh, cleaning and you know the necessary cleaning basically. So after doing that cleaning on Python, I imported the data to Power BI, and I did the visualization already. I didn't do the visualization. I didn't do the visualization on the go because it took me a while to actually. In fact, I already told you I did the visualization already without the KPI, but I just thought about, since this is a main dashboard talking about the customer sales, I believe having a KPI visualization will be the best thing to do. So that is actually what I did. I imported the KPI, and everything makes sense now. So this here talks about the total sales. Let me bring out the data. Yeah. So basically, this card here talks about the total sales. It's a card visualization. This is it over here, card. So it's a card visualization that talks about the total sales amount for the store, the online store, and this other card here talks about the number of customers that patronize the online store for the whole year, because this initially this um, according to this trend here, or according to the data actually, the years, if we're looking at the years, it's just 2 years. It's just 2 years, but we can't use the 2 years because the second year, which is 2022, only have data for January 1. So we can't make use of that particular year, because it only talks about a particular day. In let me sh- let me show you here. It talks basically about a particular day. It talks basically about a particular day. About a particular day. So if we look at it here, we can see it that it talks only about January 1. But we can't just make meaning from just January 1, because if we have to make a visualization using the years, it's going to go like it's going to go it's going to be straight and then go down. And the reason it's going down is because it's talking about a particular day in January 1. Okay, let me maybe this. now can we see? We're talking about the year and month now. You can see that it goes like, and the reason why it goes down, if we can make an analysis with this, because this slope, this down slope, it will look as though the year 2023 is not a good year, and is basically slope because the data is incomplete. So we can't use that. We can't make decision with the year. We can only make decision with the month. And this is the visualization for the this is the trend. This is basically an area chart, a stacked area chart. So it's giving us the trend of sales, of revenue for each month. So it's a good one. It's a good way of it's a good way of showing the sales for each month. And I just added this data labels there, so we can just, instead of having to or wanting to come to each month to know the sales, we can just click on it, or we can just view it from afar and then know what it's talking about. So this is a good visualization. This is a good trend visualization. It gives the right insight we want. So next we're talking about is this donut chart, which basically talks about the payment method our customers use the most. So now from this donut chart, we can see that most of our customers use card or digital wallet. In fact, they use more of card than digital wallet. So having this at the back of our mind, we can make decisions on the payment method and everything. You can have the information at hand that okay, most of our customers use cards or digital wallets. While very few use PayPal, while the other ones can range between checks and different other payment methods, which are not important, because the important ones are the card and digital wallet. So that's a good insight. So the next one is the gender, our customers, like what gender patronize our store the most. From this bar chart, you can see that females patronize our store the most, and that could range between different, or that could be as a result of different reasons. Could be most of the products we sell are products being used by females. At DeepBrain we have another table or another data set talking about the product, data of this particular online store. Then I'll be able to know the list of products that are being bought by a female, and then we can use that to make a decision on why females buy more from us. So this is a good one. This is a good information to know that okay, yes, most of our customers are female. Why? We can also want to make an improvement to find the reason why most of our customers are female and less male customers buy from us. Probably it's because we don't sell what men want. So we can get to know what men want and sell them and advertise them, so we can increase the rate at which male customers buy from us. But that won't alter the rate at which females buy from us. If we can try to get a way to make males buy more from us also, that will definitely boost our sales. It will definitely boost our sales, because that won't stop female from buying from us. So all these are good. They are good visualizations that give the right insight we want. Next is this browser used by our customers. So from this pie chart, we can see that most of our customers go to the online store through Chrome, Google Chrome browser. Google Chrome is a browser, so most of our customers patronize the store through that means, which is Google Chrome. And we can see that 47% of our customers buy or utilize our online stores from Google Chrome. We can also use this information to make decisions concerning how we advertise. We can advertise more on Google. We can advertise more on Google. Google AdSense, so that all sites that uses Google AdSense will be able to show our advertisements to their customers. There are so many decisions we can make from this alone, just having this information about what browser our customers use the most. That's why I made this. That's why I called this a main customer sales data dashboard, because this gives us the main thing we want. It gives us the main juice we want for to scale through to increase our sales and make more profits for ourselves. This is giving us what we want. Next is the KPI, so we can see our KPI over here, which is our key performance index. Indicator. Sorry, we can see that our goal here is 150. The average sales for each month is 150. You can see it from here, 156, 153. So basically, the average sales per month for this store is 150, which is the goal here. So if we check for each month, we see that we scale through our performance indicator, but for February we had less, probably due to so many reasons. December and January is a festive period for people, so they get to spend more. I believe by February everyone is trying to cut short the way they spend more to sustain themselves. So probably that's why people are not buying more. People are not buying more in February. So, but then March we are able to make more. We are able to scale through our monthly performance index, and that goes on and on and on and on until September. Yeah, until September. There could be a particular explanation for this, because probably there are so many reasons there are so many theories, actually are called theories. There are so many theories that could give an explanation to why there is low performance in our index, our indicator. Sorry, I keep calling it index. I don't know why. Our indicator, so we can know why, we can know what's causing these things, and then find a solution to it. And next year is the average time spent by our customers. We can see that men spend an average of 598 seconds on the site when making a purchase on our online store, while women spend an average of 599 seconds. So the combination of that, we can say that our customers spend an average of 598 seconds on our site while making purchase, or orders on the from the online store, actually. So all these are indicators. This basically is a dashboard that is very concise and hits the nail on the head. It's not overly designed, because there are so many people that like to over design their dashboard. You know, they spend more time on design rather than getting information or insights from the particular dashboard. So but with this, I think this hits the nail. Initially this was the dashboard I was using before the before I thought of putting a KPI uh, visualization over here. So I did that today actually, and then I feel this is more better than the other one. I'm not discrediting this. This is also very simple and okay, but then with the KPI, I believe it gives more information on what's and you know and what's not. So with that being said, watch out for my next video and voila.